Hey everybody, how are you? Happy what? Wednesday. Yeah, I know it's not a Monday. Didn't post on Monday. Monday. I was so busy with everything, and I'll give you a little light on what's going on in my world in just a second. Just to let you know, I'm only posting for today and not the rest of the week because I got a busy week coming up and weekend, and I'm going to be away, and I'll let you know all about that. First off, great to see Jimmy Kimmel back on ABC. I know a lot of people pressured Disney and dropping Disney Plus and Hulu and everything. And there's power where the pocketbooks are at, and there's a power in voices rising up. We must never be silenced on our free speech. From a guy who lectures and talks all the time for a living, it's important that free speech is with us as an Americans and everywhere around the world. And some people don't have that kind of right and pleasure of speaking their minds and speaking what's right, and just, having that option. So for that to be taken away was an atrocity, and I know our old president is not too happy about that right now. So we need to rise up, rise to the resistance, and let's all be better stewards of our world. Last weekend, I was in Saugatuck, Michigan, actually Douglas, Michigan, at the Dunes Resort, which is an LGBTQ+ resort. And I'm a member of that. I don't know if you knew that, but you could be a member of the Dunes Resort and get your membership starting on January 1st of every year. But we had a members party, saw a bunch of people that I saw this summer and some I haven't seen in a while, and came back on Monday and wrapped that up for the summer. It was the last of the summer. And thanks to Doug and JR for being great hosts this summer. I stayed with them probably like 4 times, I believe, and always a great time. I love them. They're good people. This weekend, you're saying, well, Greg, what's going on? Well, along with lectures, I had a conference yesterday. Later in the day, I had a lecture yesterday afternoon. I'm getting forward for LGBTQ+ History Month, and that's in October. Our voices still matter. Celebrating our past, celebrating our history still matters. And if you want to book me and get me to your company, corporation, school, or event, boom, gregrbaird.com. Please check me out. I have 2 agencies that represent me. So proud that they help me out. And I'm just doing what I can. A lot of our LGBTQ+ pride centers in different places are under attack, along with our free speech to say what we want and to let people be better people and rise up and be positive and have a sense of community. So we're still celebrating LGBTQ+ History Month in October. So love to see you wherever you are at. Anyway, I went off a little tangent there. I am going to Traverse City, Michigan this coming weekend. Found out it's up north Pride while I'm there. Hallelujah. I'm going to try to check out maybe 1 or 2 events. If I can, it's going to be a busy time because I'm going up for a beautiful wedding for Saturday. I get to see my chosen family. The weather looks extraordinary, and I'm glad that I've been asked and invited to come along and be part of that. So I know I'll be a little tired, but I'm coming back Sunday. I usually come back Monday from Northern Michigan. This time it's Sunday, so I may take my time coming back. We'll see. But yeah, that's all I got. By the way, I'm looking down here because I have to show you this. This is not any way endorsed by Trader Joe's. If you have a Trader Joe's in your area, you need to run and get these things. Maple pancake flavored puffs. My best friend showed me these things. He goes, girl, you got to try these. And I'm not the biggest snacker. I'm more savory kind of guy. When I try these are the shiz. They're really, really good. I think they're like $2.70 a bag, $2.69, something like that. But I bought them from my friends Doug and JR when I stayed with them, and the bag was gone in a matter of hours. And they say it's like 4 servings, I think it is. Yeah, 4 servings on the back. It's one or 2. But they're really good. Low in sugar, by the way. Low in carbs-ish. So if you're watching that like I am, that's very important. You know what I did the other night is I have some unsweetened, I gotta think about this, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Ooh, I had to think about that. Put some in a bowl. I got some of that, and I put these in it, and honey, it tastes like Captain Crunch. disaster. Seasonal item, by the way, but not getting a kickback from Trader Joe's. But and before I go, I want to say congratulations to Will and Charlie of Will's Martini Lounge. They opened up last night at 8 o'clock in Andersonville, and a lot of us have been waiting for a great little loungy martini place since another place a year ago left and didn't get reopened. And so congratulations to them. So thrilled for you guys. It looks like a beautiful spot. I'm hoping to go there later today to meet with a bestie and check it out. I imagine it'll probably be in a line, but we'll see. So I hope you're well. Subscribe, like, and share. Happy early Pride. I know Pride events are going in Traverse City, Michigan this week already. And I think they're concluding on Saturday or Sunday. But happy early Pride to them. Hope to run into some people I know. And that's all I got for you. I will see you next week. Get out, enjoy the sunshine, be hopeful, be at peace, rise up, and never let your voice be silenced. I'll see you next week. Take care.